Does Airbnb reward you in search rank for removing your cleaning fee? Now, this is a question we've been getting a lot because Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky just came out saying that he's going to be tackling cleaning fees and trying to incentivize less fees from hosts. So we decided to do some research to figure out if they're doing that in the search algorithm. So we analyzed over 5,000 properties on IntelliHost and analyzed those with a cleaning fee and those without to see if there's a difference in the first page impression rate. So let's dive in and see what it looks like. What you're looking at here is the cleaning or the first page impression rate of those that have a cleaning fee and those that do not. And you can see that those that have a cleaning fee have an average first page impression rate of about 44%. Those that do not have a cleaning fee, 47.8%. Now it doesn't seem like a massive difference, but remember we're averaging like 5,000 properties. So it does look like Airbnb is rewarding those that, for not having a cleaning fee. And when you take that 3% divided by the 44%, it's an 8% increase in first page impression rate. Now let's look at, because we were there anyways, we decided to analyze the difference for removing the service fee as well. For those that don't know, you can actually remove the Airbnb service fee or cover the Airbnb service fee for the guest and just swallow that as a host. Now you can always add that to your nightly rate or whatever, but we decided to analyze the difference for these properties as well. For those that have a service fee, 43% average first page impression rate. For those that don't have a service fee, 48.6%, which is a 5.5% increase in first page impression rate. Even more dramatic difference here than for those removing their cleaning fee. So if you want to know how to increase your first page impression rate, I highly recommend figuring out a way to get those fees into your nightly rate and cover more of those fees for the guest, which will also boost your conversion rate. If you want to know what else works on Airbnb, hit subscribe.